Vande Mataram, dear 9th standard students. Welcome to our weekly social science video. In this video, I'm going to brief you about what we have done in last 2 days, right? In last 2 days, 3 things which we have done. First, portion for the UT2. Second, detail about social science integrated project. And third thing, we have started our chapter that is Nazism, rise of Hitler and Nazism. All of you are very well aware about your portion, but let me share it with you. We are going to have 4 chapters: history 1, civics 1, geography and economics 1. We are going to learn about Hitler. We are going to learn about the natural vegetation of India. In civics, we are going to cover electoral politics. And in economics, we are going to have poverty as challenge. Apart from this, I also inform you about the Central Board project that is about the state Jharkhand, and under social we are going to do about the industries and mines, minerals of Jharkhand. All of you must have received this file. In this, I have given you detail about a particular project of social science. Understand, each and every student of 9th standard has to do this project. There are major industries. There are silk and iron and steel plant are major industry of the Jharkhand, and coal, iron ore, limestone, tin ore are the major minerals we find in the Chhattisgarh. Now, I request all of you to present your project in an innovative way. ये रट्टा मार के लिखने के लिए नेट पे से तो we have not given this project to you. You have to showcase your hidden talent. You need to present it. You can make models. You can make video with PPT. You can make attractive 3D charts. This class is full of attractive 3D charts. Okay? Think about it and submit it. The last day for submission is 4th of the January, but it's better you present before that. Then we have learned, we have started rather, then our history chapter, that is rise of Hitler and Nazis. So many of you might be aware about the Nazis, not Nazis especially, but Hitler. So in 2 days, we have learned a little bit thing about Hitler. Okay, little, not all, because we just completed 2 pages. And from these 2 pages, we came to know that Hitler was a dynamic, powerful leader. He had a dream to make a Germany the superpower of the world. And he had ambitions to conquer all Europe. He is the one who was responsible for World War II. But unfortunately, or rather than I would use word fortunately, he lost. Germany had to surrender to the Allies' power. Here, important question, who were allies? Now, Allied powers were a group of countries, like UK, France, USSR, and USA. And they fought against Axis powers. That means Germany, Italy, and Japan. So in World War II, Hitler lost it, and he, with his minister Goebbels, is a very interesting character. Okay, Goebbels, he committed suicide. Now, during the during the Second World War, Germany had a genocidal war. Now, what do you mean by genocidal? Genocidal means killing on a large scale, leading to destruction of large section of people. बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को मार दिया. In the World War II, on the name of war, Nazis मतलब political ideology. Once we move ahead in chapter, we will learn more about that. They killed 6 million Jews, 2 lakh gypsies, 1 million Polish civilians, 70,000 Germans, those who were mentally and physically challengeable, undesirable people. And they killed them systematically, scientifically in the gas chamber. In the killing center like Auschwitz. Auschwitz is in Poland. After Second World War and after the end of the Second World War, the International Military Tribunal set up and they decided to punish Germany. 11 members of Nazi party. Listen, that time Hitler committed suicide. His main minister committed suicide. Few of his other leaders committed suicide. They Allied power, that means USA, UK, France, and Russia, they were in opinion not to be so harsh on Germany, in spite of committing such a horrible crime. And why so? That is our topic number 1 in this chapter, and from here our chapter is starting. Now, when we talk about First World War, listen, up till now we were talking about Second World War. अभी यहाँ से हम chapter start कर रहे हैं First World War से. In First World War, which was fought between 1914 to 1918, Germany was with Austrian Empire in Italy, and on another side, England, France, and Russia were there. Now, initial stage, all of them, all European countries joined the war with enthusiasm. But obviously, war lasted for many years and it started to create devastating impact. Germany made initial gains by occupying Belgium and France, but then US entered into the war in 1970, and which led to the defeat of the Germany. Now, when the war was going on, war lasted for 4 years. Understand, First World War I'm talking. The King, Tsar William II of Germany, he ran away from the country. And there was a politically vacuum created in the country because the one who was ruling left country. So there were few parliamentary parties which were not having any experience to run country. They came together and formed Weimar Republic. Now Weimar is a name. There's a Congress, BJP, AAP, same way Weimar Republic. And they decided to have a parliamentary style of democratic constitution with the federal structure in Germany. This thing happened at the time of war only. Okay? Germany was in the war between 1914 to 1918. Understand that. The universal adult franchise implemented by giving even voting right to women. It was a big thing during those days. Understand? So here you need to understand one thing. The roots of Second World War lies in the First World War for Germany. Okay? Germany committed some horrifying crimes in Second World War. First World War, everybody joined with enthusiasm, but the war lasted for many years. Germany lost it very badly. And in between, Germany's ruler, king, he left the country. Germany was in nobody's hand. So few political parties came together and they formed Weimar Republic. Weimar Republic was a new thing. They did not have any experience to run the government. So today we are stopping till here. In between you can find out some beautiful, you can actually see some beautiful, videos on, you can see on my screen. Okay, let me share that original, okay, screen. And we are going to Google. So in Google, we will find out certain thing. Student, we will we are not going to learn, we are not going to so first thing I request all of you to see this documentary which is there in YouTube, Adolf Hitler or the Years, Hitler's Germany, Fatal Attraction, Real Truth History documentary. Okay, you can easily find out this on your YouTube thing, and we will also try to see this in school if it is possible. I doubt it whether we will able to make it out or not. Uh, so whenever you have a time, you do watch about that documentary. There are 3 documentaries. During running class, I will inform you more about the same. Here is a map of Germany, right? Germany is in Europe. It's in the central eastern side of Europe. You can see here more clearly on the western side, Germany is sharing boundary with France and Belgium and Netherlands. From the eastern side, they share a boundary with Poland, Czech Republic, Austria, and Switzerland in the south, and Denmark in the north. So tomorrow onwards, we will move ahead with this chapter. Till then, Jai Hind.